In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Alexa, whether you want to enjoy your favorite playlists and podcasts throughout your home or simply employ voice commands for the ultimate convenience. Integrating Spotify with Alexa is a fantastic way to elevate your listening experience. Let's dive right in and get started with this easy step-by-step guide. To begin, you'll need to open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. This app is your gateway to managing all of your Alexa-enabled devices, setting up new features, and of course, integrating various services like Spotify. If you haven't already installed it, head over to your device's app store and download it. Once you've got the Alexa app open, look for the More option, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on this will open up a menu filled with various settings and options. Navigate through this menu until you find Settings. Your settings are where you can manage your devices, accounts, and all sorts of configurations related to your Alexa experience. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down to find Music and Podcasts. This is the section responsible for managing all the music services linked to your Alexa account. By tapping on it, you'll be able to view all the music services you've already connected and have the opportunity to add new ones. Next, you'll see an option that says Link a New Service. This is the button that will let you add Spotify to your list of services. Tap this and you'll be directed to a list of available music services that you can connect to. From the list that appears, choose Spotify. Spotify is a popular choice for music and podcasts, and integrating it with Alexa will allow you to control playback with just your voice. Simply select Spotify to proceed with the connection process. After selecting Spotify, you'll need to click Enable to Use. This step is essential because it establishes the link between Spotify and the Alexa app. If you haven't done so already, you'll be prompted to log in with your Spotify Premium account credentials. It's crucial to note that only Spotify Premium subscribers can link their accounts to Alexa. Once you've logged in, a confirmation page will appear asking you to confirm the connection between Spotify and Alexa. Simply approve the prompt to finalize the integration. And that's it! You've successfully connected Spotify to Alexa, allowing you to enjoy a seamless music experience. Now you can say things like, "Alexa, play my Discover Weekly on Spotify," and enjoy your personalized playlists instantly. Remember, the key here is ensuring that your Spotify Premium account is active and the connection is confirmed, allowing Alexa to access and control your playlists effectively. Enjoy your enhanced listening experience with Spotify and Alexa.